Hey everyone, and welcome back for another video. In this video we're going to be going over how to import media files in Davinci Resolve. This goes for Davinci Resolve 17 and 18, but it can also be used in Davinci Resolve 16. Now if you haven't downloaded Davinci Resolve yet, I have a video for that in the description down below. The link for the video in the description down below, and it'll also be on the icon on the top of your screen. But anyways, yeah, let's get right on into the video. So when you launch up your Davinci Resolve, you just go to really any page and just look for media pool and just click on it. And then the first way we're going to be showing you is just the classic way. So I'm just gonna, as you can see, this is the video that I want to add. So I'll just click it and drag it towards here. As you can see, you can add it here, and then it will also show on the video media pool. So I'm just gonna click change, so now it will just change the frame rate. Then if I delete this, it will still be on the media pool. You can add it whenever you want, and as you can see, the timeline one is created because there's video one and audio one. You can add more of these into the timeline if you want to. Now the second way is just the classic Davinci Resolve way. Just right click on the media pool and then go ahead and click import media, and then if this is the video that I want, just double click it, and as you can see, it is there on the media pool. I'll just click and drag to the timeline. As you can see, there we have it. Now yeah, that's pretty much it for this video, guys. It was a really quick guide on how to import media files in Davinci Resolve. So yeah, hope you guys found it useful. If you did, smash that like button and also click that subscribe button. And if you want to get notified whenever I upload, click that notification bell next to the subscribe button. And I'll see you all in the next one. Goodbye.